Hello everyone, welcome to Tech Idea. This is going to be another guide for Twitter. It's a beginner's guide basically. This is a different one. This is on how to message, like, and retweet / share posts on Twitter. So over here we're on Sentinel's Twitter page. Over here, if you press on this icon, we can write a reply. We're just gonna write, "Love the decision, bring him back." Alright, we send our reply. Over there, we can retweet. We're gonna retweet this. We can also quote tweet. We're just gonna go for the simple retweet, and then we're gonna quote it. I'm glad they brought in the coach. Alright, and then finally, we have like over here. That's for liking. You can also press on this for sharing, but over here you can share tweet via. So over here it's gonna give you multiple options. You can also bookmark the tweet. I just bookmarked it. You can copy the link, or you can send via direct message. We're just gonna send it to Tesla right here. Why not? But anyways, that's about it. So hopefully this was a bit helpful to you regarding on what to do with Twitter and how to like, share, comment, whatever. So if you found this tutorial helpful, please drop a like, and if you want to see more tutorials like this in the future, don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as that notification bell. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.